Hey my friends, again we'll be back into this new video tutorial. In this video simply today again I'm going to show you how we are going to be using the R script. Now with R script simply we shall be programming, or we shall be making our program using a different editor, not the CMD that we have been using. This time around we shall be using an editor, so you can mention them like Sublime Text, like Notepad++, V codes, any. For me I'll be using Sublime Text for this meantime, and this is it. So we shall just be creating a file here, then we shall be telling the R to run for us. Now just going to go straight and just open up here, create a new file, just that's it, and I'm going to save it. The saving is where the problem most cases is. So how you're going to be saving your problem is what program, that's where it will be mattering. So I'm just going to be saving mine. Just going to double click here, save it as something.r. so I'm just going to call it as test. I'm going to make sure I'm in the desktop, and I'm just going to call it maybe I'm just going to call it test, something like that. But make sure as you're giving it that, make sure it should be having an extension .r, something like that. So that's it, save it. Now whatever will be inside here is going to be an R project. So I'm just going to come back here now, and I try to just put something little to show that that's R. I remember we just use the same thing, like my test, and my test is equal. In R we write like that, be equal sign. I may just say equal to a variable, that's this, like a variable, and it's equal to this, whereby here I may just say actually maybe hello world. Just going to say that's what we have at the moment. Don't mind about the semicolon, first leave that at the moment, we shall talk about later on in the program. So inside here, that's what I have. If you want that program to be printed, you shall just say print my function, which is my variable, which is my test, and that's it. So just save that very statement of yours, save it, and although you happen to close this, we no longer need it, just close that. So this is what we need, which is ready here. And if you try to right click or try to open up here, it will ask you how to open it. So we're gonna tell R to run for us this program. Now you can use the CMD to make sure we run that program. Remember, to do that we have to be in a condition that you already set R on your CMD, whereby the path is already set so that the two can combine. So we need that already in our second video. So you guys, if you have not yet watched that video, I recommend go and watch and see how to set the R path. So just go to CMD, and inside the CMD, remember this is our file. Sorry, my throat's not okay. This is my file. So just go to CMD to the desktop. Remember it's in the desktop, so let's go to the desktop. So we are ready now inside the desktop. So this is the file we want. Now this is how R behaves. If you want that file to be picked by R so that the R can understand, you cannot just come and say maybe test.r. It will not work out for you. I think you can see it's still saying yes, what you're doing is good, but how do you want to open this file? So it's not understanding this if you just go straight there. So the R has that functionality that enables us to pick its program to be understood by the compiler or by the CMD, and that one is by writing one as R script. You just write R first, then you say script, then give the name of the file. In our case the name of the file is a test, and with an extension.r. So if I happen to press enter now, we should get hello world just next here. So my friends, that's how we use one known as R with another text editor, and then you bring it to be ran in the command line. Then you find you get the output later on. So guys, that's it. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.